Hi, this is Tony K, and this is my second video. In my previous video, I offered my own scenario for the future of Bitcoin as three technologies: blockchain, digital currency, and payment network. In this one, I am going to share my thoughts on altcoins and tokens. Altcoins. It would be difficult to give one-of-a-kind comment. Many of you think just like me. They, altcoins, all seem like no big deal. Ripple, the same. This one is a bit faster. This one is a bit more reliable. This one is a bit more convenient. Bitcoin is a brand. It is the first and the only one, and none of its drawbacks can be offset by the advantages of altcoins proposed today. Even if all this is going to really die, it will have its own place in the museum of the technologies and greed, while numerous clones with more advanced technologies will be forgotten very soon. However, there is a great deal for a speculator to smile about. Well, first of all, absolutely all the altcoins and even tokens that manage to be listed at least on some exchange will sooner or later go up in price 10 times or even higher, for only hours or days, but it happened. Secondly, if there is one thing that 2017 taught us, it's that it's possible to make money out of nothing. You'll see there is definitely going to appear a clone or analog of Ripple with a different logo, and everyone would start believing in it, or a super projects with tokens which get burned by 1% every year. It's breakthrough and happens for the first time, that's why it will be bought for the sake of rate increase and gains. So in the end, should we buy altcoins or not? You need to buy everything that either has dropped dramatically or just appeared to earn quickly. This is long-lasting advice. There are going to be pumps, that's for sure. Second piece of advice: sell after it has risen well. Tokens. There have been catastrophically very few projects that issued their tokens and raised big money with ICO, presented at least a prototype of their idea to the world, apart from the landing page with buy tokens and white paper buttons. This is one of the reasons of the current fall. There is no trust. Everyone is expecting real projects developed by real, not assumed teams and specialists and entrepreneurs. When they appear, and they certainly will very soon, we will talk about investment in blockchain, tokens, and Bitcoin. For example, the team of Buterin with his Ethereum would certainly make something up in the nearest time. This may not necessarily be some change to the Ethereum itself. They would make something more technological. The ICO of Telegram's tokens lies ahead of us, so I recommend taking a closer look. Ask me where and how to buy. But most of the tokens which are being traded now will simply disappear. Nothing stands behind them. I mean, not only revolutionary, but also basic idea, much less a prototype. Recently, I managed to get a closer look with the help of the specialists into the inside of Ethereum blockchain, in particular tokens. I reviewed transactions, their frequency, wallets, their quantity and volume of tokens, etc. I'll describe in my next videos what I saw there. In short, I saw either emptiness and absence of movements of tokens between wallets or vice versa. I saw transactions, the number of which was driven up as likes in YouTube and randomly established wallets there. It is blockchain, it is flexible and available to everyone, to all manipulations. Nevertheless, I am waiting for the tokenization of everything that can be token and may be used in ecosystems which the numbers of users exceeded the total numbers of holders of all types of tokens. When and in what way, we'll see. Right now, we are waiting for real projects that invested the funds right from the ICO into business and establishment of something that works and is of benefit. If you are a fan of a two-digit rise in prices, wait for the news about the launch of products and solutions by the teams that raised funds in 2017 and 2018, and you will get 100x. Subscribe to my channel and like if you like this video. Bye!